Hello guys! Today I've got the XIAOMI Pad 8 Pro and I'm going to show you how you can easily fix overheating during gaming in your XIAOMI Pad 8 Pro. So, the most important thing is that you need to go to the settings and open the display settings. When you are gaming, you use mainly your display and of course internal specs. So for example CPU, etc. To avoid the use of the display and reduce somehow the overheating, you need to lower the brightness level. As you can see, this was my automatic brightness over here, but the best for gaming is as lower as you're comfortable with. As low, of course. Apart from that, go to refresh rate. And if you don't need the 144 Hz, set it, for example, here to custom, and for a moment, of course, 60 or 90. Just for a moment. That should be it from the display settings, and apart from that, here, clear all in the top right corner. Do this while gaming. And that's it, how it helps you. I mean while gaming, before. And that's it, how it helps you, and goodbye.